A speeding CPWD Bolero pickup truck bearing registration TR01V1686 collided head-on with an auto-rickshaw bearing registration TR01K2629 in front of the Bamutia Block under the jurisdiction of the airport police station. The impact left the auto-rickshaw driver and a passenger critically trapped inside a crumpled vehicle. Local residents successfully rescued the injured individuals and shifted them to a nearby hospital for treatment.
According to official reports, a high-speed collision occurred in front of the Bamutia Block involving a Central Public Works Department stickered Mahindra Bolero pickup with registration number TR01V1686 and an auto-rickshaw registration number TR01K2629. The CPWD varying vehicle was reportedly traveling at a high rate of speed when it collided head-on with the oncoming auto-rickshaw. The force of the impact resulted in severe structural damage to the auto-rickshaw, completely crushing its front cabin. The steering mechanism collapsed upon impact, pinning both the driver and a passenger within the wreckage. Local bystanders immediately intervened to extract the trapped occupants. The injured parties were subsequently transported to a medical facility for urgent treatment.
অটোর চালকটা কি আটকে ছিল সামনে? আপনি দেখতে পাইছেন? কয়জন ছিল সামনে? গাড়িতে মোটামুটি কতজন আপনারা আয়া দেখছেন যে আহত হয়েছে? পুলিশ, ফায়ার সার্ভিস, সিভিল ডিফেন্স তারা আসছিল নি এখানে? আপনারা নিজেরাই উঠায় পাঠাইছেন? কোন সময় ঘটনাটা আনুমানিক? সাড়ে
Pure report, Chini Khorang.